Hello YouTube, 5 foods that have more sugar than you think. It's time to update your shopping list. The dangers of a large amount of sugar, we all know firsthand. Here are skin problems, and excess weight, and fatigue, and, if you really get carried away, more serious health problems. With this knowledge, we stop putting sugar in coffee and tea, limit the use of cakes and chocolates. However, there are foods that hide their high sugar content behind the label of usefulness, and we often do not even suspect what kind of threat they pose to our body. Here are 5 foods that contain sugar that can come as an unpleasant surprise. Fat-free dairy products. When choosing cottage cheese, yogurt or kefir, we are used to looking only at the percentage of fat. However, low-fat foods are often much more harmful to the figure than their fatty counterparts. From natural whole milk, it is impossible to prepare a product that would not contain fat, so it is skimmed artificially. After this simple procedure, the product loses not only the percentage of fat, but also the taste and presentation. To fix the second, manufacturers add starch, preservatives and dyes, and for the first, sugar. A lot of sugar. Fat cottage cheese, 5%, will do your figure much less harm than fat-free, and will saturate for a long time. Granola. Instagram bloggers with a perfect figure now and then show their breakfast in strawberries, usually smoothies and granola. But do not forget that this is just a picture in which the same oatmeal or a plate of cottage cheese will look much less attractive. True, the granola you buy in supermarkets often consists of more than just whole grains and nuts. There are dyes, and preservatives, and flavorings of all kinds, and, of course, a ton of added sugar. Granola will only become a fitness breakfast if you make it yourself at home. This is the only way to be 100% sure that there will be nothing superfluous in the composition. Dried fruits. The controversy over the usefulness of dried fruits does not stop, but one thing we can say for sure, they have a lot of sugar. Unlike the previous products from the list, it is not added there, but quite natural. During the drying process, fruits lose only water, and all vitamins, antioxidants and fructose, fruit sugar, remain unchanged. And this means that eating a kilogram of apricots is not the same as eating a kilogram of dried apricots. Nutritionists do not recommend eating dried fruits in quantities exceeding 3-4 pieces per day. Soy milk flavored. Avoiding lactose has become one of the biggest dietary trends, and many people are switching to plant-based milk even without a medical indication. Such milk really has many advantages, only if you buy it in its pure form. Popular chocolate, banana, vanilla soy milk is clearly not a product that should be consumed daily. Not only do they add a huge amount of sugar, but also the bananas are hardly real. You can drink a banana latte once if you really want to, but for a daily diet, the choice is not the best. Quick oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great breakfast option when it is brewed from natural oats. In a bag of blueberries, strawberries or tropical fruits, there is no fruit or oatmeal itself in the form in which it should be. In order for oats, which are usually cooked for at least 20-25 minutes, to become ready for use 3 minutes after you pour boiling water over them, they are passed through several stages of processing. At each of these stages, oatmeal loses its nutritional value, and you end up with carbs plus a decent amount of sugar and additives. It's better to spend 20 minutes in the morning or make lazy oatmeal in the evening, but get a delicious, healthy breakfast full of nutrients, not excess sugar. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.